In this video, I will show you how you can add your Google account on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Accounts and Backup. From here, just tap on Manage Accounts. Now as you can see, we have already added our Google account over here. But if you want to add another Google account or if you want to add multiple Google accounts at once, so just tap on Add Account. Then select Google, and from here, just enter your lock screen PIN. Now in this section, just enter the Gmail address which you want to sign in. After you enter your Gmail address, then just tap on Next. And in this section, just enter the password of your Gmail address. After you enter the password of your Gmail address, then just tap on Next. Now if you want to save the password, just tap on Save. Otherwise, you can tap on Cancel. Now just scroll down and tap on I agree. Now you can either enter your recovery info or you can just tap on Cancel. Select Skip. As you can see, we have successfully added our Google account on our Samsung phone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.